Hi everybody, I am doing a project. The topic is that's the way we learn in LTPSS. Now I will introduce the way we learn in LTPSS. First I will introduce Chinese, and I will give my Chinese exercise to you. And first, there have some reading and some grammar and exercise. And in the holiday, we have many homework. And now I'm talking about science. We will do science exercise for with the book. This is the science exercise, and this is the science book. And I will introduce my student handbook. Is Loringbong Secondary School, and here I have some English book. Is this homework book, and have a blue book. Also, then the book is classwork book, and we will do the homework in this book, and have some classwork we'll do here today. Here, so this we learn in LTPSS. Thank you.